Okay, so I just want to do one unboxing video for my new sneakers. I just received them from Zalando. This isn't any sponsored stream or anything, it's just I just bought some new sneakers and I want to do some unboxing from it. So let's see what I got them. It's a secret. So I got a new Salomon sneakers. I saw actually these sneakers in China, in Suzhou, but they wasn't right sizes, so I bought them now from Zalando. These are deep Lichen green XT-Whisper Embroidery style. So I got these now, like size 42 from Zalando. So basic box. Let's see what we have. Boom. So what we have here is the sneaker. So sneaker. This is the colorway. I like this colorway. I think there was some orange colorway, not my cup of tea, and there was also this kind of a smoke blue version that I actually at least saw in China. So I took this green one. I like this. It has some white mesh here, this light gray, and this like a sage green, and then light like a lime colorway there. I kind of like the colorway. What do you think? Here's the other side. I was thinking buying some comfortable sneakers, but still I think I can use this also in my everyday use. These are a little bit more kind of how do you call it, urban styling. No, looks pretty good. So yes, this is 42 here on the back. Boom, boom, and this is the sole at the bottom. Has some traction. You can, I don't even know, but this just look cool. Maybe, I'm not actually know, are these for hiking? What is their main function? What they are built for? But I just bought these for everyday use for the summer. What do you think? I'll try it on, test it on. I think I like them some mesh there. Okay, that's about it. Let me know what do you think about the pair. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Yeah, bye.